Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here and ain't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I post like content every single day around 3 p.m. Eastern time until Pacific time this morning. I sound like a rat because I just woke up and I'm watching some daily left daily ones playing all night. I passed out. Jenny, I think she's ready to go downstairs. Jenny, you ready to get up and go downstairs? Jenny, come on. You ready to go downstairs? Alright, let's go downstairs. Kalia, good morning. It's not morning, it's 12:30, but hey, it's all good. Good morning, love. Good morning. You see my camera now, you want it. But this is valuable. You can't have it. No. Come here. Come on. Come on. What? Giving morning smiles this morning in the vlog, so don't cover the lens. No, don't cover the lens. So guys, this kid is here and I love her so much, and I got showered and ready for the day. It's been a couple hours since I last vlogged because again, I was getting ready for the day and two, I was cleaning. So I've been just drinking up on some coffee, I'm watching this kid so my mom can make some lunch. So we've been playing with a bunch of toys on the floor. And it was a funny story because Kalia was standing on the gate and she sat on that orange pig. She sat on the pig and she had no idea what she was doing. So she was trying to get her from underneath her and she couldn't. Funny. Who is that?
Come on.
Hi girls. Hi girls. Hi girls. Lay down. Lay down. No, it's not time to play, okay? It's not time to play. Lay down. That's a good girl. Lay down. Gabby. I didn't play anything. I'm just filming. Yeah.
Why are you filming me? I was horrible. Oh my god.
Well, you told me that you wanted to be in the vlogs more, so.
I know, but like, I'm just saying that you're planning something.
No, I'm not.
Anytime you normally film me, some freaking cameras here, and you're trying to scare me all the time.
Better drop it, girl. Stop chewing that. Bad girl. Bad girl.
So yeah. Is this ice cream? No, for me. Drop your fudge.
Guys, we got the fam in the house, and we're gonna sit up here and watch TV like This Is Us and stuff like that.
So I want another fudge popsicle, but I can't have one. What do you mean? Why can't you? I'm allowed. You use that one. That's it. One more. That's it. I'll bring you one up. Bring you one?
No. I want something cold to drink though. That would be good. Thank you.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I know this video has been very random lately, but right now I'm actually going to be riding with my dad on his bike, and I'm going to film it. And I know this video is very late and I'm trying to figure it out, guys. I apologize, but I don't really want to explain myself each time I post late, but I will if there's a really reason that I need to. But anyway, we're going to my aunt's. I'm gonna get this cool montage and we're gonna film why we ride. Let's go. Alright guys, so we just started the bike. We thought it was dead, and it was actually neutral, but it's not. We Gucci. That scared the crap out of me. Good? Alright, let's go. Let's ride.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
hearing loss, Bosley is giving away an absolutely free information kit that reveals all the signs. And a free Bosley gift card to anyone who texts SELF to 85850. Bosley will show you for free how great your hair will look. Using the latest technology, Bosley's solution to hair loss is permanent and protected by the Bosley Guarantee. Plus, since Bosley has new non-surgical options, you owe it to yourself to text now for an absolutely free information kit and a Bosley gift card for $250 off. No matter what level of hair loss you have, text SELF to 85850. That's SELF to 85850 from the Walls Business
Let me know if you guys like some face ads for the crazy video.
Smacking, falling off your phone, God, it's so
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the bike footage. I really did, because that was so much fun. But it's the next day, and today is not a good day to start the day, because I woke up this morning and yawned, and this is what happened. My spring broke for my braces. So right now, we're on our way to my doctor's appointment, which is at 10:10, and we are heading to Mason because I gotta get this fixed. I gotta do that. Mom, I think, is taking the dog out, and then we gotta head out. But this is the last couple clips to the video before I end it, because it's been way too dang long before
I'm gonna go grab a granola
released
bar.
a video.
Do you want one?
So, yeah.
You better love